Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an XML document. We'll start by understanding what XML is and why it's so widely used for data exchange. You'll learn about its core purpose and how it differs from other markup languages like HTML. This foundational knowledge is crucial before diving into practical creation steps. Let's get started with the basics of XML. Now, let's dive into the essential structure and syntax rules that govern every valid XML document. Understanding these rules is key to creating well-formed XML. We'll cover how elements are nested, the importance of a single root element, and how attributes add valuable context to your data. Following these guidelines ensures your XML is both readable and parsable by applications. With the basics covered, it's time to create your very first XML document. We'll walk through the steps, starting with the essential XML declaration. Then, you'll learn how to define your root element and populate it with nested child elements, adding your actual data. Remember to always close your tags and correctly format any attributes for a valid and functional XML file. To ensure your XML is robust and easy to work with, let's discuss some best practices. Using clear, descriptive names for your elements and attributes significantly improves readability. We'll also touch upon validation using DTDs or XML schemas, which is vital for maintaining data integrity across different systems. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Adhering to these practices will make your XML development much smoother and more efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.